Welcome to the Domus 3 installation and operation video by Well. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up your Domus 3 system, ensuring a comfortable and smooth experience for your patients. When placing the mattress on the bed frame, make sure the feet icon is at bed end to ensure proper direction of the mattress. The overlay mattress must be applied on another underlying mattress. Put the foam into the 3-inch foam base pocket. Secure the mattress firmly by fixing the straps to the bed frame, which prevents accidental displacement of the mattress. Once the mattress is secured, hang the pump on the bed end panel using the mounting brackets. Connect the air hose connector to the pump unit. A click sound will be heard when connection is completed and secured. Secure the excess power cord through the cable management loops to reduce the risk of tripping accidents. Plug the power cord into electrical socket. Check the CPR tag to make sure it is closed to prevent leakage and triggering the low pressure alarm. Turn on the power switch. Now let's take a look at the interface of the pump unit. Pressure adjustment knob, normal pressure indicator, low pressure indicator, alternate, static switch, alarm, mute. The system will start with initial inflation process. The low pressure, orange LED, visual alarm will activate when the mattress is not fully inflated. When the appropriate pressure is reached, the low pressure indicator, orange LED, will go off and a normal pressure indicator, green LED, will light up automatically. Please do not place patient on a mattress until it's fully inflated. To speed up the initial inflation of the mattress, turn the pressure knob to max. Once the mattress is fully inflated, adjust the pressure according to the individual's needs. The mattress takes about 30 minutes to reach full inflation. The pressure adjustment knob controls the air pressure in the mattress. Turn the knob clockwise will increase the pressure, while counterclockwise decreases the pressure. The pressure should be adjusted according to individual weight and comfort preferences. Check the air cells by sliding one hand beneath the patient's bottom to see if the pressure is at a suitable level. Always leave at least 1-inch space between patient and the static cell to prevent bottoming out. In alternating mode, the system continuously and sequentially inflates and deflates air cells to ensure effective pressure redistribution. Use the alternate static switch to select the alternating mode. The cycle time is set to the system default of 10 minutes. During alternating mode, the air cells underneath the patient are grouped into alternating sets, which one set inflates to support the patient, and the other set deflates in a repeating cycle. Static mode distributes pressure across the body evenly to minimize pressure at the skin to mattress interface. Use the alternate static switch to select the static mode. During the static mode, all air cells maintain a lower pressure to provide better immersion and envelopment. When the green LED illuminates, the pressure inside of air mattress has reached the desired pressure setting, preset on the pressure adjustment knob. When low pressure LED lights up, the pressure inside of air mattress is below normal. To troubleshoot, check for the following. The quick connector is properly attached, the CPR strap is closed, the inner mattress tubings are properly attached, the air hoses are properly arranged and are not broken. Alarm mute allows caregivers to temporarily suspend the audible alerts. However, the low pressure indicators still remain on until the low pressure faulty condition is solved. To reactivate the audible alarm function, please press Alarm Mute button on the panel again. cleaning is crucial to prevent cross-contamination. We recommend cleaning surfaces in a dry, dust-free environment. Use a damp cloth with mild detergent that won't harm the plastic casing to wipe down the pump. For the mattress, use warm water with mild detergent or chlorine bleach, followed by an approved disinfectant. The mattress cover can be removed for laundry and cleaned as specified by the laundry label. Air dry all parts thoroughly after cleaning before the next service. Check and replace air filter regularly if environment is dirty. Open the air filter cap located at the back of pump. The filter is reusable and can be washed gently with a mild detergent and water. Dry the filter before use. The single-handed CPR control is located at the head section. During emergencies, caregivers can quickly deflate the mattress within 15 seconds and administer first aid treatment. Turn off the pump. Disconnect the quick connector. Open the CPR valve to quickly deflate the mattress, such as for storage. Be sure to close it immediately after full deflation. Roll from the head end towards the foot end. Foot end strap can then be stretched around the rolled mattress to prevent unrolling. We hope this demonstration video was helpful for you. For more information, visit www.wellel.com or contact your local Wellel representative.